Hello you all. I'm going to do something a little different on this video. I'm just going to overlay my voice on top of this one. Just because it took a long time to do this, and the speed up version was much easier. So here we had a water leak at a rental house, and we didn't know exactly where it was. So we rented the track hoe and we dug that first hole right there. And then I forgot and left the camera sitting here for a moment and then moved it. Well, it wasn't over there at that one spot, so we went over here by the well house, and we started digging over here. And we kept digging and talked about it and said, well, it should be here, but why is it not here? We don't know why. So we just keep digging. All right, and we dig and we dig and we dig. Well, it just didn't show up. And we were like, okay, we know the water's here. And then we had a friend come out, his name is Bo. And he was like, okay, let's just figure out where it starts from the little meter box right there. And go from there, because there's a valve right down there. And so we started digging there. We found out kind of where it turned. And then we thought, okay, well, it's on this one side. We know it's over here, so we just keep digging.
There it is.
Yeah, there we go. See, I was close. I was real close.
But no cigar.
But no cigar.
All right, and then we keep digging some more, thinking, okay, well, maybe it's broken along the line here somewhere, because we were considering about taking it all out.
Is it?
It's super wet. I almost think that's it right there where that key is.
Right there.
That's what I'm saying.
Right there.
Can we turn the water on and see?
Well, not yet. No, let's find the water, the hose.
That's it.
Where's the shovel
That's
at?
it. Yeah.
Shovel. Scalpel.
Okay, so by what you heard there, we found it. Definitely the water leak, really sloppy. The renters came out, they kind of took a look at what was going on. And as you can see, the water was just running out. We actually had the water on for a brief moment there just to see if we could find where it was, running out. But the water was leaking tremendously. Now here you'll see it bubble up.
Oh yeah, there it is. Right there. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. All right.
Are you sure?
Let me turn it off. Yeehaw, we found it.
So as you hear, I'm ready to turn off the water. It's kind of a ways away.
Unfortunately, we got a lot of water in here, but I guess he's gonna dig a ditch.
Dig a hole.
Okay, that'll work. Yeah, that's definitely it.
What?
I said that's definitely it.
Didn't turn it off, right?
I turned it off. It's just pressure. Oh, I can release the pressure here. That'll help.
So as they're digging, I release the pressure off of a freeze-proof valve. And then this happens.
Yeah.
Whoa! Up.
Did he hit it?
Yeah, you got it.
He did?
Yeah.
Pipe right there?
All right. Well, we hit the pipe in another area. So now we're just digging along and we're, trying to figure out exactly where it is. Found it, digging along the edge of it, trying to get all this slop out of here. Move the pipe out of the way so we can dig a big hole. So the water will run down into it and we can expose the broken piece, which is right there. We just found in a coupler. It's broken at a coupler and it was spewing out of that. Right there at the bottom right hand corner. So it is what it is. That happens. All right, well anyways, I keep this thing sped up as we go along and we dig it out. And trying to determine, okay, well, what are we going to do with these connections? The freeze proof, and I should have raised the camera up a little bit. I was just too focused on trying to get this thing dug out. The freeze proof pipe is actually right at the very top of the screen there where we're digging right there. As you can see.
Being I sit at a computer all day long, this is Not the easiest thing in the world I do.
Real shovel behind you.
And then I hit the pipe with the pick, which is okay. We were going to replace it anyhow right in there because we were taking out that freeze-proof spigot right there, as you see at the top. All right, well, we keep digging. We cut the pipe. We take it out. We get a new one. We clean it up. You know, clean up the existing pipe. Got a new pipe. Put it down there. Determine kind of where we wanted to go with it, and then we just kind of figure it out from there. Going, okay. We got our fittings. We actually had enough fittings. We didn't have to go to town. So we put that pipe on, and then determined at that point where, you know, we're gonna dig this out a little bit so we can bend this pipe a little over and connect it with some elbows. So you'll see us as we kind of dig this out a little bit more. I'm trying to keep the camera around so you can actually see it while I work. As you see, our friend Bo here, he's he's working with us on this. So we put a little connector on the end there, that pipe. That was actually a copper pipe. So we put that piece on, get the elbows in, cut all the little pieces, and fit all this together. And then, here in a moment, you will see the ending portion of this. We let it sit for about 10, maybe 15 minutes after we got this all glued together, and then turned it on. Excuse me there. All right, it's all on. We let it wait for a while. I let the camera sit here, just run, as you can see. And then the pipe goes down. We saw the pipe kind of sink right there. The water was in there. You can see as we are turning, the sun there is moving. And we determined that it was working fine, and here we go. We're gonna put it all back. And I'm not sure why the audio is on this. I thought I turned the audio off. But here we're, just putting the dirt back. Filling it all back in the different areas that we were making a mess. The little track hoe works really well. Thanks to Grove, Oklahoma there, the Grove Rental Place, for the rental. It worked out really well. Did exactly what we needed to do. So all that dirt is just like really, really super muddy, so we were trying to dig some, get out some new dirt to where we could kind of fill back in there and it wouldn't be so heavy on the pipe and such. So we got that done, and while he was doing that, I was working off to the side there, off to the left, repairing that first hole that we had dug, kind of smoothing off the, kind of like what you just saw right there, kind of smoothing it out a little bit, making it look good. And then I come back and clean off my gloves. So this is the end of the video. Thanks you all for watching. Appreciate it. If you made it all the way to here, take care.
Don't want to run these through the washing machine. Way too muddy. Clean them off first and then run them through the washing machine. Oh, and by the way, we got the water line fixed. If I didn't already tell you, it's been so busy. I got it fixed. We got it fixed. Help with my brother-in-law and a guy named Bo. Alright, there we go. That's better. Okay, bye.